how to download the softwares and how to install the CentOS 9 on Oracle VirtualBox, right guys? So how to install CentOS on Oracle VirtualBox, right? So what we need, so we need to download the, first we need to download the OVM Oracle VirtualBox software, and so there is a dependency for the Oracle VirtualBox, right? For installing VS C++ 2019 also download. We need to download this. Then we can download the CentOS 9 ISO. We can download the CentOS 9 ISO, and then we can install the VS C++ 2019. Then you can install the OVM software. Then you can install the CentOS 9 VM. What VM called, guys? So VM is nothing but a virtual box. Virtual box, sorry, virtual mission. So we will install virtual mission. So we can install the number of, so we can install the number of OSs. We can install the number of OSs based on your resources. What is that, guys? Based on our resources, right? So yesterday we discussed this, guys. We discussed this, and we discussed about the how to shut down the OS, how to shut down the CentOS 7, CentOS 9. So what is the command, guys? The command is, guys, tell me anyone. So what is the command? Init 0, init space 0 is shut down. So what is the restart, guys? Restart the CentOS 9. So what is the command, guys? The command is init 6. So what is the command, guys? The command is init 6. Init 6. And we discussed about the few commands also. So what are those? Something like, so we discussed about the what is a shell. So in Linux, we are using which shell, guys? We are using bash shell. We are using the bash shell is nothing but a born again shell. And we discussed about the Linux architecture. So Linux architecture also, right, guys? So what is that? Shell. On top of the shell, commands, shell. So then kernel, hardware, right? So where we are executing the commands, we are executing the commands ls, pwd, mkdir, cd, and etc. The commands will be executed under the commands, right? On the shell prompt, we are executing the commands, right? So we discussed this in yesterday's class. Guys, understood?